Hello, everybody. Lisette here. I wanted to send you this quick video message to tell you about the workshop Extravaganza happening on the 16th of December. Basically, what's going on is a whole bunch of us were talking and we were saying that we were tired of watching online presentations at virtual conferences. I personally learn more through interaction and discussions with others, sharing my ideas and having fun. So what you may not know about Collaboration Superpowers is that we have almost 70 facilitators giving workshops online, and we have all joined forces to bring you an extravaganza of remote working workshops to choose from. The way that it works is we are going to start the day in a wonderful little virtual space called Kumo Space, and we're going to do a quick icebreaker there. Feel free, I will send a link in the email. Feel free to check it out. You're allowed to stop by, grab a virtual drink at the bar, go and listen to some music at the piano. And then what we're going to do is go into our workshops. There are 10 workshops being offered on all kinds of different subjects here. So you can see all the best facilitators. You're allowed to choose any 2 of them. So the way that the structure of the day is going to work is we'll start with the icebreaker. We're going to take a quick break because it is really important to take breaks when we're working online. And then we're going to do workshop number 1. It will be a 1-hour workshop. We'll take another refreshing break. And then we're going to go to workshop number 2. And then we'll just take one last quick break and end with a closing mixer so that we can all discuss what we've learned today and just share a virtual drink together. So I hope that you will join us for this workshop extravaganza on the 16th of December. If you have any questions, just email info@collaborationsuperpowers.com and we'll give you the answer. All right, see you online at the extravaganza.